You can separate a room in Surfy to create two different rooms. This is the piece that I'm going to cut at this height. For that, I'm going to add a vertex on the top segment and add a vertex on the bottom segment. And then I'm going to take these two vertices and I'm going to be able to separate the piece between these two vertices. To do this, I activate the edit mode of the plan. I click in the room and I have the option here to add a vertex on a segment. I click. I'm zooming in on my segment. As soon as I hover over the segment, it turns red and it offers me to create a vertex. I click to create my first vertex. Then I'm going to the bottom segment and I'm going to similarly hover my mouse over the segment so that it lights up red, and I'm going to be able to click to create a new vertex. My two vertices are created. I'm going to be able to stop adding vertices, select a vertex that changes to red. With the shift, I'm selecting my second vertex, which is also in red. I can then separate the space. Part 1, 0, 18 will be separated into two parts, 1, 0, 18 and 1, 0, 18 in parentheses 2. I click. My separation is made, and Surfy suggests that I assign to the room a 0, 18 in parentheses 2, all the material that corresponds to this space. I apply the change of space, and I now have two separate pieces. One piece in parentheses 2 with all the inventory corresponding to that piece, and one piece with the inventory that also matches that piece. The same goes for the assignments, which are well separated between the two spaces. I can now qualify my second space in a different way and complete the qualification of my pieces.